Why has the divorce had to be all sour? I don't get it. Maybe it's because I haven't been married. But it's just damn papers. Why don't we sign papers and go our path? Separate. Move on with our lives. Why it has to be sour? I don't get it. So on the 5th, Enhle Mbali, the ex-wife of Black Coffee, the well-known DJ in the world, hosted a supper. According to Oprah Min, she hosted a supper in his or her house as well, because they are both owning that house currently, because the divorce papers have been settled, so that house belongs to both of them. So Enhle hosted a supper, and then boom, Black Coffee came out of a sudden without any permission or alert. Yes, he doesn't need a permission to come to his house, but I thought maybe he will call and say, I'm coming to the house. So he came and started shouting at Enhle to say, why are you hosting a supper without my permission? And Enhle was like, dude, why do I need your permission? And Black Coffee said, this is my house. This is my house. This is my house. And Enhle was like, no, Puti, this is our house. It's our house. So I don't need your permission to host a supper in the house. And then allegedly, Black Coffee pushed Mbali Enhle, yes, push her. And Mbali has claimed or alleged that Black Coffee in 2014, he beat her strong. So currently, Mbali went to the police station and opened a case, or to attain the restraining orders against the DJ and change the locals in the house, because this man just pop up at any time and cause chaos. This is the way every marriage is supposed to come to an end. I don't get it, really. I would say please comment below, but you know the argument between us guys. I will open the comment section once you reach 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully by the end of this month we're gonna have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Libito la kalena Secucom.